In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to your Shopify store using the built-in tools in your Shopify admin. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen, even if this is your first time working with domains. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products, orders, and settings. Once you're in, look over to the bottom left corner and find the settings option. This is where Shopify keeps most of the behind-the-scenes controls for your store. Click on Settings, and on the Settings page, look for the section labeled Domains. This is where you manage all the web addresses connected to your store. Go ahead and click Domains to open the domain management page. On the Domains page, you'll see any domains that are already connected to your store, along with your default Shopify domain. What we want to do here is bring in a domain that you've purchased from Hostinger and actually transfer it, so Shopify becomes the new domain provider. Look for the button that says Connect Existing Domain. At first, this might sound like we're only pointing a domain to Shopify, but Shopify also gives you the option to transfer the domain in the next step. Click Connect Existing Domain and a new window or panel will open. Inside that window, look carefully for a link that says something like Transfer it to Shopify. This link is usually shown as an alternative option, so it may appear as small text under or near the main Connect field. Instead of just connecting the domain from Hostinger, click this transfer link. This tells Shopify that you don't just want to point the domain to your store, you actually want Shopify to manage it going forward. After you click the transfer link, Shopify will prompt you to enter your domain name. When you type it in, be sure to enter it without the www at the beginning. For example, if your domain is www.mystoreexample.com, you would simply type mystoreexample.com. Leaving out the www helps Shopify recognize the root domain correctly and set everything up behind the scenes. Take a moment to double check your spelling here. Even a small typo can prevent the transfer from working smoothly. This domain needs to match exactly what you bought from Hostinger, including the extensions such as .com, .net, or whatever you're using. Once your domain name is entered correctly, you're ready for Shopify to start guiding you through the rest of the transfer checklist. At this point, Shopify will typically walk you through confirming that your domain is unlocked at Hostinger, that you have access to the authorization code from your current provider, and that your contact information is up to date. Those parts happen after the steps we've just covered, but the process all begins with getting to your Shopify admin, going into settings, opening domains, choosing Connect Existing Domain, following the Transfer it to Shopify link, and entering your domain name without the www. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be set up to complete the transfer process so your Shopify store can fully manage your hosting a domain.